Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Anaruby Falls within Unicoi State Park. It's actually on the outside boundary. Either way, it is a very short hike, only 0.4 miles up to the waterfalls. It is a beautiful day out today. Let's keep moving. Okay, so this is a very steep incline. If you've never been here before, be willing to put out a little bit of effort, but it is a paved trail, so it's not like anything too crazy. So this is a first for me to come here during the beginning of the spring, and all the leaves are off the trees. Such a wonderful view. Let's keep moving. Look how wet it is. Hey guys, it's Metro. We are at the top of Anaruby Falls. Well, I guess not the top. As you can see up there, there is an extensive waterfall drop, followed by a 50-foot drop over here on this waterfall. This is such a beautiful place to be. Let's keep moving. So this little plant here is called trillium, and it blooms in the spring. So beginning high on Trey Mountain. Trey Mountain is on the Appalachian Trail and one of the greatest views you can get in Georgia. That's actually where this water is coming from. And obviously you can see how it extends down to this area. It's such a beautiful place. All right, so that was that. Only 0.4 miles up to the waterfall and obviously 0.4 miles back. Such a great place to be. If you've never been here before, I definitely recommend it. With that being said, if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.